There is a sexy lady who is a superhero. She goes all over the place, everywhere it's where she goes. She likes to party all night, she's going out on the town. Her sexy body is hot, she's always spinning around. She likes to dance and to feel the trippy trance. She's never bland, always has the upper hand. She's going to a famous resort hotel. She's doing good, everything is going well.
Superhero, she is a superhero, girl, superhero. She is rescuing the whole world, superhero. She has a super sexy power. She has the flower power and power flowers. She's back, like a train on a track, dressed in all black, makeup like a cat. What's that? That is her car. It looks like a rocket, she is the star. Look there, look at her hair. It makes beautiful sunshine everywhere, it shines. Her hair is so shiny, she could do the lighting for 90-90. She could be the lightning up in the sky. Her hair's